Hi, I'm Constance Choi. I'm a co-founder and co-director of the COALA Foundation, and I'm here to talk to you for 1 minute about blockchain governance. Now, blockchains are this wonderful communication and coordination network from all around the world. It's decentralized in that anyone can join these projects without getting the permission of any company or organization. Now, this raises some interesting challenges as to who makes decisions and which decisions are legitimate. So a lot of people are tempted to think of blockchain governance as things just governed by code, that code is law, but that's not the case. Before code becomes law, many decisions come into how the code will be reformulated, what goals that code achieves, and who has a say and skin in the game to say these things. So this is a huge global governance challenge and opportunity to reformulate how people legitimize and create common knowledge around decisions about how these blockchains will work. If you want to find more information, you can go to koala.global.